Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Bayu Putranto, and I am Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today, we will learn about the detailed client monitoring at Virtual Smart Zone. So, before we already monitor client at Virtual Smart Zone, and today we will learn about how to monitoring in detail. The prerequisite about this activity is access point must already broadcast the SSID and the user must already connected to the SSID. Let's go to the controller. Okay, in here, client is already connected and we will monitor about this client. So in here, you should find the host name and the operating system about this client, IP address, MAC address, and then uh, SSID and AP, which AP is connected to, and uh, how good the client is connected to the access point. And then we can do a health check. And because no traffic, so there is no traffic and dB as signal to noise ratio, so the result is 0 and the data rate is also 0. This is the historical traffic, and this is the event about this user. If the user is connected or if the user is disconnected, we can monitor here. But that's monitoring in a single user. In general user, you can monitor in here. You can monitor how good is the user, the airtime utilization, and then the capacity of the network. And the authentication association, radius, DHCP, and user authentication. And then we can also the monitor from which access point is associated, and then how many clients and how many clients is associated with access point. And this is the operating system in pie chart. And this is the alarm if there is an alarm about some user. And this is the event if there is some event, if the client disconnected or connected. And this is list of the wireless LAN in particular group. And this is the services about the wireless LAN. So I still disable the web authentication, WeChat authentication, and hotspot, and OS policy. I still disable. And in here is the number of access point connected to this group. As we know, the client is 1, latency is 0, and channel using channel 6, and the channel for 5G is 149, And we can also monitor about, mm, it's not here. We can monitor about airtime utilization. So airtime utilization is on here. Okay, the airtime utilization for 2.4 gigahertz is quite big, around 39%, because in this area there is so around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 access point. So this area is like crowded. Okay, that's all. And I hope this is informative for you. And thank you for viewing.